Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the LADYS meme coin. It's quite easy to get this done. Open up your browser. Once your browser opens up, make sure you log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. Now, once on coinmarketcap.com, simply scroll down till you find the contract address, which we're going to be copying. So once you've clicked on this contract address and you've copied it, simply scroll down to the market area so we can have a look at the exchanges that it's being traded on. As you can see at the top, we have the Pancake Swap. So all we need to do now is minimize, open up a wallet of your choice, be it MetaMask or the Trust wallet. Once you've installed any of these wallets, all you need to do now is simply search for BNB. The BNB we're looking for is the Smart Chain BNB. That's this BNB here. Click on this BNB. If you do not possess any of the BNB tokens, click on buy. And now you could simply enter an amount of the BNB you wish to buy and simply click on buy with credit card. That involves using your credit card to buy some crypto. So once you've done that, once you've gotten yourself some smart chain, head to the browser section at the bottom right corner of the screen. That's this browser section at the bottom right. Once there, simply scroll down till you find the Pancake Swap exchange. That's its DeFi exchange. So click on it. Once you've clicked on pancakeswap.finance, you'd get your wallet connected by using the wallet connect icon. Once that's done, where we have the Ethereum symbol, click on this Ethereum and select the BNB Smart Chain. Now we're going to be converting some of our BNB into the LADYS meme. So click on Cake, that's the Cake token, paste the contract address we just copied. Once you've pasted this contract address, click on Import, click on I understand the risk, and click on Import once more. Once that's done, enter the amount of BNB you wish to use to gain some of the LADYS coin. And once you've entered the amount of BNB you wish to convert or swap into the LADYS meme coin, simply click on swap and confirm the swap, and you get your LADYS meme coin on your wallet, which you could confirm by closing up the browser and heading over to the Manage Crypto tab at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the plus icon, and where we have network, select the BNB Smart Chain, paste the contract address, and click on Import. Once you've done this, you'd find the LADYS coin on your wallet after the swap. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can buy the LADYS meme coin, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.